What up, family? It's 9 million. I'm back with another vlog. Thanks for tuning in. We got another day. Not so much getting to no dollars right now. I ain't even gonna lie. Been spending some dollars, but for a good cause. Getting my business together in order. Get my marketing materials in order, like I said in the last vlog. Or maybe it was 2 vlogs ago. But all in all, I'm definitely moving forward with pushing hard for the junk removal, as well as still working on my Hotshot goals or box truck, whatever I decide to do. So I just came back from the store, man. Check it out. See what I got real quick. Yes, sir. I know they ain't the best, most creative, but I got a good deal on them. And it's got vital information on it that I need, at least to get started. So I'll get a little capital up and get something special made, you feel me? Some special artwork or something. What y'all know about that? Got a young mask too. Yeah. Alright, what up, fam? I'm back. Another day getting to another dollar. Just got back to the compound, man. Gotta grab Shug and head on over to his junk removal job. And from there, drop off Shug and head to dinner with the family. I ain't never been to Benihana's. Today, ain't gonna be no different. I'm still not going to Benihana's. We're going to Shogun. I was told Shogun is like a Benihana's except for cheaper. But the food is really good. Just not as expensive. Plus, Benihana's reservations list crazy. So we're gonna go to the one that's not as busy. Either way, similar experience, I was told. So that's what it is, y'all. If you didn't already, hit that like button and subscribe button. And yeah. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah. Also, don't get it twisted neither. Just because I'm doing these different apps and stuff, Dolly's, GoShares, not so much GoShare, but Dolly's now Lug. I'm still on my business, man. I'm still pushing hard for my business. Getting ready to go handle my business right now, actually, with this junk removal. It's one of my personal leads. I just got another phone call earlier today for a junk removal we got scheduled for after the 4th of July. But that was a referral. So I got referrals coming in. I got personal leads doing their thing. I just got some new shirts and stuff. And, trying to come up with some different promotions, and got some different business cards that I'm gonna start hitting these businesses with. So while I'm working on this Hotshot and or box truck business, I'm gonna be moving forward heavier with the junk removals. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being part of the journey. Let's go get this money, y'all. Let's go get this paper. Check back in on site. Peace.
But dude, if you need some,
this too?
No.
Okay. Just this pile?
Yeah, just this pile. Nothing on the.
Okay. Alright. Alright, y'all, thanks for tuning in for another vlog. Check back in tomorrow, man, see what we get into. Hopefully I can fill up the back of this trailer. If not, if I need the trailer before I'm able to dump it. See y'all, this stuff can be donated and stuff, you know what I mean? So I pretty much, this half of this part of the trailer is all empty. That's how I look at that. I'm probably gonna put these in storage or something, get rid of that. And I can still make some money off of this. But if I get a job and I need the whole trailer, I'll take it to the dump beforehand. Until then, it's gonna be here, y'all, so I can get it filled up. Or when I decide to take all that metal that I showed y'all in the other video, like all this iron and shit, you know what I mean? Iron and fencing and, you know what I mean? So that's it for today, though. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Also, out of that last junk removal, I got a bunch of books. Got a bunch of books that people be looking for that type of stuff online. You feel me? Some more books here. There was something else. So that's some picture frames. So, a few ways to make a little bit more extra money off this dump run.
Say what's up, y'all. Say we about to eat at Shogun for the first time. Where you passed out? Where you passed out?
The young Kyrie zone. Young Kyrie Irvings. What's called now? Some Jordans though, I don't know which ones. They varsity red, probably the varsity red J. What's number 9?